Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on LENOVO Tab K11. Okay, to create our backup we need to open up the settings. Once we are here, scroll down until you find General Settings, scroll down again and click on Backup. Okay, when it comes to the backup details, make sure that photos and videos and other device data are enabled. If they are not, simply tap on them and in here we'll be able to turn them on. Also, very important part, this is a Google backup and our backup, all of our data will be stored in the cloud of our Google account that we are currently logged into. In my case, that's the Google account that I'm logged in, and on that account everything will be stored. So for example, if I want to restore a backup later in the future, I'll need to be signed in into the same Google account. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space. If you don't have enough, you will have to delete something. Okay, now we can go back. Same thing with other device data, of course, make sure that it's enabled. And now to create a backup, simply hit this green button, Backup Now. The process will now begin, so we need to wait until it's finished. As you can see in here, a small circle appeared and it's going to slowly fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. We'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen if everything goes as it should. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, the data has been successfully backupped. Also, under other device data, we can see that the backup has been created 0 minutes ago. So it's like a confirmation that everything went successfully. As we scroll down, we can see the backup details and everything has been copied. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.